We've had many movies over the years where we've gotten to see all kinds of futuristic flying machines. Back to the Future was the first movie that got us interested in flying cars and boards. Since then, many people have devoted their time and knowledge to create some of the most incredible flying machines. Welcome back to our channel. Let's take a look into the list of top 5 most amazing flying machines in the world. Before we start, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and press the bell icon so you never miss any upcoming videos. Let's begin! Number 5. Lift. Aircraft Hexa. It only has a single seat for one person in the multi-copter. It's still a hybrid of a plane and a drone with the goal of transporting you wherever you want to go. It's an all-electric wingless multi-copter with vertical takeoff and landing capabilities. It has a motor strut assembly that looks like a web of 6 inward-pointing sectors, 12 outer, and 6 inter-electrically powered propellers, for a total of 18 propellers. If you want to own one, the price would be $495,000, but they have great benefits that allow you to return it, sell it, or use it for your personal use. Number 4. Hoverbike S3. If you've ever wanted to ride your bike all the way to the sky, this is your opportunity. The Hoverbike Scorpion 3 by HoverSurf is the first bike that can fly, and it will be utilized by the Dubai Police Force. For this model, you do not need a pilot or aircraft license, so you can simply hop on and start flying. It has a hover capacity of around 93 inches above the ground and can reach a speed of 60 miles per hour. The frame is made of various types of carbon fiber, which means that not only is this bike durable, but it's also quite light, weighing just over 250 pounds. Number 3. Jetson One. The Jetson One is designed to be the first consumer production model. It was completed in late spring of 2020 and is currently undergoing flight testing. The aircraft itself weighs roughly 190 pounds due to the aluminum space frame and Formula One race car-inspired carbon fiber composite safety cell. So, they developed the vehicle capable of flying to ensure that the Jetson One is as safe as possible. Even if one of its 8 electric motors fails, it has a triple redundant flight computer, hands-free hover, and emergency functions, and will be delivered as a partially assembled kit for home assembly. Number 2. Kitty Hawk Flyer. The Kitty Hawk Corporation, funded by Larry Page, one of Google's co-founders, has decided to build a flyer that can take off and land vertically. It uses 10 electric motors for vertical propellers and weighs 250 pounds. It can reach a maximum altitude of 10 feet and a cruise speed of 20 miles per hour because it is all electric. Flight time varies between 12 to 20 minutes before the vehicle shuts down and must be recharged. It's designed to fit only one person inside, who will also command the vehicle. It's an incredible vehicle that we'd love to have. Number 1. Lazareth LMV 496. Flying motorcycles are undoubtedly the future, and French automaker Lazareth appears to recognize this. The bike is smart, sleek, and futuristic, and is black and red with turbines that allow it to take flight on the sides, allowing it to fly up to several feet above the ground. Only 5 of these motorcycles produced. Each LMB 496 costs $560,000. The bike was designed for ease of handling, and is also an electric motorcycle capable of reaching speeds of 62 miles per hour. It is capable of both flying and riding on the ground thanks to the 2 different modes available on it. We do wish they had more than 5 available for purchase, but again, very few people have $500,000 to spend on a flying bike. So there you have it, the top 5 most amazing flying machines in the world. What do you think about these flying machines? Let me know in the comments below. I hope you enjoyed this video. Make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more. Thanks for watching.